Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2012 Ford Focus SEL. So this great find is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in a sterling gray color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps. You also have your delay-off headlamps, your garage door transmitter, and your heated outdoor mirrors for those cold winter months. But there's tons of great stuff happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at some of those interior features. Helping you into your Focus is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob, you will find your lock, your unlock, your trunk release, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. And you can see there that you have your side view mirror signal indicators, and you also have your puddle lamp, so that's going to be really nice and convenient when you're approaching your vehicle. And we're just going to open this up here. We'll take a look at the interior. So lots of room to get in and out, really nice and clean. Our detail department does a great job when these vehicles come in. You do have some storage here in your driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then moving a little bit further in, you have these beautiful leather seats with that white stitching, your power driver seat, and then a little bit further up from there, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. So just to the left of your steering wheel is your automatic headlights. You can just set them and forget them. You also have your fog lamps there. So we're going to hop on in. We'll take a look at some of the other features. So bear with me here. Start that up for you. So taking a look at the odometer, there's only 65,173 kilometers. And then moving a little bit further back here, we have all of the mounted controls that we're going to want. This is our information, our central information display. So this is going to give you your trip 1, trip 2. It's going to give you all of the information that you want about your vehicle. You have your My Key, which you can set some safety features like a maximum speed, things like that. So lots of really cool stuff in that menu there. And then as you scroll through, you can see your trip 1, trip 2, things like that. So lots of cool stuff there. Right underneath there is your cruise control. That's going to be handy for all of you highway drivers. And then you have your music control buttons with your volume control there. Now right under here is your voice command and your hands-free calling. And then you have your favorite settings that you can set there as well. Taking a look at the entertainment system now, you do have everything you're going to want. You have your AM/FM radio, Sirius XM. You have a CD player, your USB. And just moving down here, you have your Bluetooth as well, which is going to give you your hands-free calling, so that's going to be really nice. You also have your temperature control there, and then you have all of your information for your vehicle, and then you have your phone connecting just on the top left. Moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your dual zone climate control. That's going to be really nice if your passenger runs a little bit warmer or cooler than yourself. And then moving a little bit further back from there, you do have your sport mode. This is how you're going to control those gears. Really fun to drive that way. And then you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger for those winter months, along with a 12-volt DC plug-in. And then right back here, you have your audio input. You have a couple of USB ports there if you want to play your MP3 player, and quite a bit of storage. So moving a little bit further in, I'll show you the glove box here. Lots of room in the glove box, so you can fit all of the manuals that you're going to need in there. Lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Ford Focus. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Focus now, really cool stuff happening in here. I did mention that we have a trunk release, so we're just going to push that twice. Open this up, take a look at the cargo space, a really nice amount of cargo space, and you can see there that the previous owner installed a Sony aftermarket subwoofer. And we'll take a look under here. So this also houses your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. And you see you're all hooked up there, ready to go with a great sound system. So that's going to be really nice. And once you're finished loading in all your gear, just pop this back down. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Ford Focus. We'll finish up by giving you a final view of the 2012 Ford Focus SEL. There's lots of really great stuff that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions you want. We're here to help. We're also very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching this video, and until we see you, drive safe.